Video Editing Crash Course, Exporting and Rendering. Introduction. Exporting and rendering are essential steps in the video editing process. These final stages determine the quality, format, and compatibility of your video for distribution. In this crash course, we will explore the intricacies of exporting and rendering, sharing interesting stories and examples along the way. Additionally, we will list and describe the top 12 exporting and rendering techniques/methods to help you optimize your videos for different platforms and achieve the best results. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Pixar's render farm. Pixar, renowned for its stunning animated films, utilizes a massive render farm to generate the final frames of their movies. With thousands of computers working in tandem, rendering a single frame can take several hours or even days. This behind-the-scenes process showcases the complexity and dedication required to produce visually captivating films. 2. The render queue in Adobe After Effects. In Adobe After Effects, the render queue is a powerful tool that allows users to manage multiple compositions for rendering. It provides options to control the output format, quality, and effects. The render queue simplifies the rendering process, making it more efficient and organized. 3. YouTube's recommended encoding settings. YouTube provides recommended encoding settings for optimal video playback. By following these guidelines, creators can ensure their videos maintain quality and compatibility when uploaded to the platform. Understanding these settings is crucial for delivering the best viewing experience to your audience. 4. The introduction of HEVC, H.265. High Efficiency Video Coding, HEVC, also known as H.265, is a video compression standard that offers superior video quality at lower bit rates compared to its predecessor, H.264. HEVC is widely used for high-resolution videos, including 4K and 8K content, enabling smoother streaming and reduced file sizes. Top 12 exporting and rendering techniques/methods. 1. Resolution and aspect ratio selection. Choosing the appropriate resolution and aspect ratio for your video based on the target platform and viewing experience. 2. Bitrate and compression settings. Adjusting the bitrate and compression settings to balance file size and video quality. 3. File formats and codecs. Selecting the right file format, for example, MP4, MOV, and codec, for example, H.264, HEVC, for optimal compatibility and quality. 4. Frame rate conversion. Converting the frame rate of your video to match the desired output format, ensuring smooth playback. 5. Audio export settings. Configuring audio settings, such as sample rate, bit depth, and codec, to maintain audio quality during export. 6. Color space and gamma correction. Ensuring accurate color representation by choosing the appropriate color space and applying gamma correction if necessary. 7. Watermarking and logo overlay. Adding watermarks or logos to protect your content or promote your brand during the exporting process. 8. Closed captioning and subtitles. Including closed captions or subtitles in your video by exporting them as a separate file or embedding them directly into the video. 9. Proxy workflow. Utilizing proxies during the editing process to improve performance, then switching to high-resolution files during export for the best quality. 10. Custom export presets. Creating custom export presets to streamline the process and maintain consistent settings across multiple projects. 11. Multi-format and multi-resolution export. Exporting the same video in different formats and resolutions to accommodate various platforms and devices. 12. Network rendering. Leveraging multiple computers or a render farm to distribute the rendering workload, reducing export time for complex projects. Summarization. Exporting and rendering are crucial steps in the video editing process, determining the final quality and compatibility of your videos. By understanding and utilizing the top 12 exporting and rendering techniques, you can optimize your videos for different platforms and achieve the best results. From resolution and aspect ratio selection to network rendering, each technique plays a vital role in delivering captivating content to your audience. Poem. In the realm of video, where stories come alive. Exporting and rendering, the final strive. Resolution and aspect ratio, the canvas unfolds. Choosing the right frame, as the story molds. Bitrate and compression, a delicate dance. Balancing file size, giving quality a chance. Formats and codecs, encoding with care. Ensuring compatibility, no matter where. Frame rate conversion, a seamless transition. Smooth playback, avoiding any emission. Audio export, a symphony to preserve. Sample rate and depth, the sounds we observe. Color space and gamma, a visual treat. Accurate hues, every shade complete. Watermarks and logos, protection or brand. Embedding them gracefully, as videos expand. Closed captions and subtitles, words to explore. Enhancing accessibility, inviting viewers more. Proxy workflows, performance unleashed. Switching to high res, when the vision is reached. Custom presets, a shortcut to repeat. Consistent settings, making exporting sweet. Multi-format, multi-resolution, a versatile plea. Adapting to platforms, catering to every decree. Network rendering, a collaboration grand. Multiple computers, united by a band. Exporting and rendering, the final frontier. Where videos shine, bringing joy and cheer. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of video, where stories intertwine. Exporting and rendering, the final design. Resolution and aspect ratio, choices we make. Crafting videos, for audience's sake. Chorus. Exporting and rendering, the finishing touch. Optimizing videos, we love so much. Bitrate, compression, finding the right blend. Delivering quality until the very end. Verse 2. Frame rate conversion, smooth as a dream. Audio export, where melodies gleam. Color space, gamma correction in sight. Watermarks, logos, shining so bright. Bridge. Closed captions, subtitles, language for all. Proxy workflows, performance standing tall. Custom presets, saving time in our quest. Multi-format, multi-resolution, serving the best. Chorus. Exporting and rendering, the finishing touch. Optimizing videos, we love so much. Bitrate, compression, finding the right blend. Delivering quality until the very end. Outro. Network rendering, a collective endeavor. Exporting and rendering, connecting forever. Videos taking flight, spreading far and wide. With every export, a journey we stride. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.